How's that? Okay, that's my jam. But thanks for tuning into this video. So today what I'm here to talk to you guys about, you see that I have my makeup done, because you know I ain't all that, but I'm okay. I can get a look going. Okay, so today I want to talk to you guys about the Covergirl Trublend Matte Made foundation, and I have it in D10 because if I got one step up it was too dark, one step down was too light. So this, I'm D10. Okay, and it looked like it's blended pretty good. I mean, like, tell me what y'all think. So Covergirl just released this and it's supposed to be like really good. I got it for like 11 bucks at Walgreens, but I was in Dollar General the other day, they got it for $8.50. So there you go. The benefits of this foundation, it's supposed to be 12 hours matte, transfer resistant, oil control, pore minimizing, and they have it available in 40 different shades. I was reading off my computer because I just want to make sure I got all of the information correct. Okay, so yeah, the thing that got me about this is I wanted to see if it was going to be good coverage, and it was okay. Like, I had to go back to a few areas and kind of touch them up again, but it's okay for $11 makeup. And then it's supposed to be transfer resistant, because I'm sure if you wear makeup and you hugged a guy or a friend, whoever it was, they got some chin makeup on their shirt, I'm sure of it. So like, I just applied this, everything is set, everything is good to go. I have this napkin and I'm gonna just put it on my face and see, y'all. I'm gonna see if something come off on it. Okay. I don't want to mess with my makeup. All right, y'all ready to see? Okay, let me open it. Okay, this all I got. This is all I got. Let me get close. Can you see that? Like, right there and over on the other side, that's all I got. This can't be real. Hold on, wait a minute, because I know damn well, y'all, like, okay, I started wearing makeup with MAC, okay, and y'all all know that transfers like ain't nobody business. Okay, it's telling all your business. So I went to Estee Lauder and theirs is really good for transfer proof, and it's like $30–40. This $11. Now I'm finna try this again, and I'm finna see, cause I know damn well. All right, so this is the side I did it on. Okay, now I'm gonna flip it over and do it on the other side, and I think I have like a hair in my lash or something. All right, so this is the side I did it on, so I'm gonna flip it on the clean side, and I'm gonna do it again, see what happened. And I'm doing it as if I will be blotting. I'm doing my forehead too. If I will be blotting, you know. Honey, look at this. Okay, this is the other side of the napkin. Okay, let me come out so you can see. This is the other side of the napkin. This is the other side of the napkin. Now I put some on my hand. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's kind of like rubbed in from when I was doing the makeup. So let me just take a corner and rub it. All right, so there we go. There we go. So if you do rub it with like pressure, it still come off. Yeah, it still come off. But I mean, that's still not bad. it's still not bad for $11, and you get this kind of coverage, and it's supposed down for 12 hours. I'll be the judge of that. You guys for tuning into this video. Welcome to all of my new subscribers and all of the ones who are still currently with me. Yeah, hit that subscribe button. It's right in the corner of your screen. I know you see it because I put it there, so I know you see it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. Bye.